3-6, this is rescue swimmer in the boat. The boat is run aground, and we're taking on water. We're just going to get off here. Even if we dewatered it, we'd still be run aground. The engine's not starting. How copy?
Swimmer 3-6, good copy. So you are getting in the water. Is that correct?
A good copy on that.
6036, this is rescue swimmer in the boat. We're going to abandon ship. How copy?
Rescue swimmer 3-6, good copy. Abandoning ship. We'll be ready for you.
Right there. Can we keep the same plan? Well, let's give me a trail light to the bow, and we'll get the basket in here.
Swimmer 3-6, good copy. We're on our way in.